Mopar has brought an all-new 2019 Ram 1500. It's been accessorized with just a small sample of the over 200 parts and accessories that Mopar has available for this all-new truck. To dig into some of the details of this truck, it all starts with the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. This lift kit has been designed and developed by FCA engineers and is only available through your Mopar dealership. And we've got our 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels. These have the ability to be turned into a full beadlock for ultimate off-road performance. Also, we have a new off-road running board. These boards are tucked up very close to the underside of the body to get extra ground clearance and are covered in a durable and slip-resistant bedliner type material. So the last piece of the off-road kit is the wheel flares we've added to the side, give a little bit of a more aggressive stance and also help to highlight the 35-inch tires that are on this vehicle. So moving to the back of the truck, we have an exciting new feature that's going to be coming soon. We call it the Ram Rack. These are two racks that are on the back of the truck. They are fully adjustable fore and aft, and they allow you to put large, oversized items on the top, like kayaks, canoes, anything that you want to carry and be out of the way. To amp up the performance of the truck, we have in the front, we have our new Ram Airflow intake, which is a brand new design of a cold air intake that